I told you guys, I used to see this channel as a joke. You're scared of what people are going to say about you. About you. About you, your own life. 2025 is the year that we take action. Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cynthia Patrick. If this is the first time you see me, right now the time is about 2 a.m. in the morning, early in the morning, and I am so stressed out because I've had a very busy day, very stressful day, productive day. I must say, I went out today and I took some lovely pictures. I took the kids to go play some games and all of that, is the festive period, so why not? I'm supposed to be sleeping. I'm supposed to be sleeping right now, but I'm here because I really want to talk with you guys. So today is 31st December 2024, and tomorrow is going to be 1st January 2025. Oh my god, I feel blessed. You are blessed. We are blessed. Oh my goodness, like it is happening. This year has been a lot, guys. Like it has literally been a lot, and at the same time it has been drama free. Like when I say drama free, I don't think I've experienced any year that is as drama free as this year. I keep saying it, 2024 is low key my best year in a way because a lot of good things happened to me this year. Plus, I've been spending most of my time with family, few good friends, and my cycle has been so tiny. I think that is why it has been drama free. But anyways, guys, I am so sorry that I know that I said I was going to be pumping out content and all of that, and all of a sudden I just laid back. 2025 is not going to be like that. I promise you, I'm telling you, 2025 is not going to be like that. I'm not smiling, I'm very serious. 2025 is not going to be like that. We are going all in. We are going all in with the content, with everything. Okay, so you guys better suggest what you want to see next year down in the comment section. Anywhere, just you can DM me, you can send me messages. Like I am open to receive messages because next year we are going all in on this channel. This channel is going to be buzzing. And also the main reason why I even started this video is because I wanted to let you guys know that once you're a member of this channel or a subscriber or a community member in this channel, guys, listen. 2025 is not that year to be laid back. 2025 is not that year where we're just going to be sitting back and just relaxing and be like, okay, God will lead the way, or this is going to like letting things just happen on its own. 2025 is the year that we take action. I know we have tried our best this year, but 2025 is the year we go all in. It's no longer going to be that year of procrastination. Procrastination will follow you and enter 2022, 2023, 2024. Let it stop. Procrastination should stop following you around. No more procrastinating, guys. You all know we're friends here, and this is a fact. Procrastination is like a very bad medicine, bad drug that kills. It kills, it wastes time, it diverts your destiny, your future, everything. And I hate it so much because I am someone who have suffered so much from procrastination, and I am so happy that I've gotten a lot better. Like I would literally put off the smallest, simplest tasks and say I'll do it very soon or next time, and at the end of the day I will just keep on pushing it, which was so bad. So next year is going to be that year that we implement everything that we have learned or we are learning. It's not going to be a year of procrastination. So guys, let's wake up. Let's wake up and get the job done. You want to start a YouTube channel and you're scared of what people are going to say about you, your own life. Like you're scared about other people's opinion about your life. Oh my god, that means you are not ready. Guys, that means you are not ready. Stand up and forget people, because people will always have opinions. People are always going to have something to say, whether you're doing good or whether you're doing bad. They will always have something to say. So forget about all of that. Stand up. Let's get this thing done. Start that channel you want to start. Open that business you want to open. Like, say I love you to that man that you want to say I love you to. I keep on saying that 2025 is going to be a year that we're going to be implementing all the things that we have learned or we are learning. And maybe some people don't even understand what I mean by that. But if you think deep, or if you try to fall back and replay this, you actually understand what I'm trying to say. Like 2025 is a year that when we learn something, we're not just going to learn and let go, we're going to learn and implement in our lives. And other things that we've also learned, we're going to start implementing all of this into our life. I mean, I care about you guys so much on this channel, because maybe a lot of people might just be looking at it as yeah, she's just, just a YouTuber and all of that. But I don't see my channel like that. I see it as a community. I told you guys, I used to see this channel as a joke, and one time I just like stopped posting, and you know what happened? People came to my inbox, my Instagram. People sent me emails asking me if I was okay, asking me like things about me. And I was like, oh my god, this is not just random people that you're shooting videos for. This is a community. And ever since then, I took it serious. So any way that I can, I mean, be of help to anybody's life, even in my own life, like if something happens to me, I try to share on this channel. So I want us to do this together. I want us to go into this 2025 achieving everything that we want to achieve. And when I mean achievement, I'm not just talking about financial achievement, even though that is also important, very, very important. But I'm talking about achievement in all ramifications, when it comes to your love life, when it comes to your mindset, when it comes to your personal development, when it comes to your physique, when it comes to your character development, your character building, everything. I mean, leveling up in all area, leveling up in all aspects, baby. 2025 is going to be your year. It's going to be that year where you reflect, reset, and reinvent yourself. I want to go into bed and I'm just like, I just want to share my 2 cents. I just want to share what's in my mind, like tell you guys how I feel and how I feel about you too, you guys, you watching me, how I feel about you, and how I want us to go into this year with so much ginger, so much energy. Personally, for me, this is coming from someone who cares a lot about what people say sometimes, because of course my life is on social media, on YouTube and all of that. And sometimes when people drop comments, or my family members call me to say some certain things, of course I listen and I want to know, like, why, where is this coming from, what am I doing that is making this person say these things to me. Yeah, I do care about what people say. When it becomes a problem is when you allow it affect you, affect what you do. Once you know that what you're doing is right and what you stand for is right, then I mean, what people say shouldn't really matter. You can listen, pick the ones you want to pick, and that's it, and let go of the ones you want to let go of. Personally, for me, this is one character that I want to rebuild on 2025. And yes, that's it, guys. I just felt like talking to you guys before I go to bed, and right now sleep is calling my name. To summarize, 2025 is going to be all about the 4 R's, which is to reflect, reset, reinvent yourself, and rebrand yourself. It is that year. It is your year. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Please like, comment, subscribe, and do all the YouTube thing. I don't know why you're not subscribed. If you are watching me right now and you're not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Honestly, I really don't know. This channel is your go-to channel when it comes to self-development, personal development, character development, mental health. I mean, a little bit of fun. We do have some fun over here sometimes, I must say. Don't mind me, guys. Sleep is calling my name. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or I don't know, maybe I'll see you guys in 2025. I'm gonna see you guys next year, because I think this is going to be the last video for this year. It's a wrap. It's a wrap for 2024. Hello 2025, guys. I'll see you. Okay.